Welcome to a technical deep dive into Xiaomi Astral Communication, a technology promising 100% connection, even with 0 bars of signal. We will deconstruct the hardware and protocol analysis behind this capability. Xiaomi Offline Communication is a true peer-to-peer, hardware-driven voice technology. Unlike network-dependent communication, this is device-dependent and operates independently of cellular relays or the internet. Astral bridges the infrastructure gap, designed for environments with zero network coverage. It functions where traditional carriers fail, such as in remote topography or during infrastructure collapse. The architecture of offline voice is a synchronized hardware-software stack. It includes the Surge T1S tuner at the hardware layer, a super antenna array at the physical layer, and a 2.4 GHz direct link protocol. The system relies on silicon-level optimization with the Surge T1S tuner, a custom signal enhancement chip. This chip optimizes the radio chain for stability and dynamically manages signal integrity to maximize range. The super antenna array is a custom hardware design focused on increasing antenna gain. Unlike standard Bluetooth's omnidirectional flutter, this array achieves directional high gain capable of kilometer-scale distances. Astral is repurposing the 2.4 GHz spectrum. It abandons standard Bluetooth protocols for a proprietary point-to-point protocol, bypassing the typical 10 to 100 meter limit and extending the range significantly. Maximum range is strictly hardware dependent. Open space testing shows the Xiaomi 15T Pro reaching 1.9 kilometers, while other compatible devices like the Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus achieve 1.0 kilometer. The digital walkie-talkie interface defaults to speaker mode and provides real-time peer status. Communication is facilitated through a simple push-to-talk interaction. Regarding security, privacy, and cost, Astral Communication is zero cost, requiring no data usage or cellular minutes. Privacy controls include visibility toggles for everyone or contacts only. There are hardware and software gatekeepers for activation. Requirements include HyperOS 3.0 or later, compatible hardware, an active SIM card for verification, a logged-in Xiaomi account, and Bluetooth toggled ON. Physics versus environment is key. In open space, the range is approximately 1.9 kilometers. However, urban obstructions significantly reduce range, typically to about 300 meters, as performance relies on line of sight. This technology is built for edge cases, providing reliable voice communication where carriers fail. This includes outdoor adventures, areas of network congestion, and emergency response scenarios. The activation protocol via the HyperOS 3.0 setup path is straightforward. Navigate from Settings to Mobile Networks, then select Xiaomi Offline Communication, and finally, toggle ON. By combining custom silicon, high-gain arrays, and proprietary protocols, Xiaomi Astral removes the dependency on external infrastructure. This provides autonomy in communication. It is your signal, your control.